Alright, so to do this, first we're going to create an object by Shift A that drops one into the scene. And first we're going to deform it, or generate it, and solidify. Go to normals, flip that, and we're going to increase the thickness of it. Go to materials here, new. We're going to create two materials. And for back in the modifier, we'll go to materials, go for an offset of 1. Now this white material, I think, is going to, we're going to go to settings, surface, and backface calling. Doing all that will give us this outline effect that you often might see in VR chat avatars. And we can modify the thickness of it to whatever we desire. This could be paired with other modifiers too, like subdivide surface. Generally, you don't need to use subdivide surface though. You just say shade smooth. Anywho, that is how you get avatars like this.